What's up, guys? Scott with Gen5 Concepts here. If you have recently purchased one of our 5th Gen Camaro door lighting kits and you're wondering how to make the light go all the way to the dash and not stop 4 or 5 inches short on the door, and if you want it to, that's fine. It's straight and simple install, but some of you want it to go further. There are no parts involved for that. It's just labor. So I'm going to show you how to do that really quick. First, how to install your wiring. When you get your door off, keep in mind this is a ZL1 door, so it's all black. Here's maybe silver. Color does not matter at all. Alright, what you're going to have is you're going to have one wire that unplugs from the harness inside the door. It's going to run up to this light pipe right here. You're just going to pop that off. It's not difficult at all. Okay, this is what you're going to have. Take it off. You're not going to need any of this wiring anymore, but you will need this socket. Okay, you're going to have to take this off. There's also another socket up here in the front, if you can see it, not being used at all. Okay, you just want to pull that one out. It should be that easy as well. Notice there is nothing in this. GM put it there empty like that. Okay, you're going to take that one, and you're going to take this one. Alright, try to do this with one hand, but you want to get a flathead screwdriver, okay, and basically you're going to put the screwdriver into the back of it, into the slot. Just push it in, kind of twist, pry up on it. The back of this will pop off. Alright, I'm going to show you the one with the wiring in it first. This one's empty, so there's nothing to show. I'm going to pop this one open and show you how it comes out. Just like that. Take the back off. Old LED goes out. Alright. Take the one from our kit, place it right back in, and put the back right back on. Like so. It's that easy. Alright. And you're going to do the exact same thing with the empty one. Alright. This one's going to go on the long wire. The short wire is going to go into this one. You're going to take this one, plug it right back where it went. Just snap it right back on the end of that light pipe. And you're going to take the short one that you put in the empty socket, and it's going to snap right back on there. That's it. You're done. Take your new harness, plug it back in the door. When you put it back on, that's all you need to do to install our harness. If you want to do the light mod, watch our second video on this, and I'll show you what you need to do to get to that, because some of this has to come off and it's a bit more involved. So watch part 2 of this if you want to do that before you put the kit on.